Hello and welcome back to a new video. This is Jacob and today we are going to be working on the lawnmower drill press. First things first, we're going to have to finish this frame up, and to do that I'm going to cut out a crossbar out of this steel bar stock. Then I just welded it on. Here's some hardware. Some of it is actually taken from the lawnmower, such as the bearings. I threw on some WD-40 and then they just worked fine. After that, I cut out a section of plywood So, because I didn't move the camera, I'm just going to explain what's happening. If you look down to the bottom left corner of the screen, that little piece of wood, I basically cut out little chunks on each section of the plywood so that it could fit in the frame. In retrospect, I should have probably done this before I welded the frame together, but you only live once, man. Next up, I coated the wood with some stain just to protect it from rot. This hole here is going to be for the front bearing and the shaft, which will be attached to a cast pulley, which I'll be making in the next episode, hopefully. The wood started smoking, but that's not really a problem. The hole saw that I was using is pretty cheap, and I think it was just causing more friction than it was cutting. And it kind of gives it a cool look, so I'm happy with it. I'm going to hold off on putting the other bearing in just because I want to make sure that the shaft of the engine is perfectly aligned to the holes. So that'll wrap things up. Thanks for watching. If you would like to see more from this project, make sure to subscribe down below, comment, and go check out the new subreddit at r-garagebot for post and conversation.